putting it together now, guys. This reads right here. Steve, Mr. A would like you to check the Rockford utilities. The bills have been unusually high for an empty, non-producing building. Both gas and electric are higher than normal. Can you check on these, please? We have contacted the utility companies. They are saying that these are actual usage. Please contact Mr. A. Wow. Into the depths of the abandoned factory. So far, this is a pretty big factory, guys. I'm trying to keep my voice down so it doesn't echo as much, but first thing I find when I walk in, guys, General Electric chart carriage. Anyone in the comments, let me know what that is. I'm not sure. Huh. I think this is his own board from the factory, guys. I see it says machine, part number, status, customer. Wow. All the old inventory. Holy crap. I found a date, guys. Do not block this door. That's a picture of this old factory that now lies empty and dead. And it's dated February 23rd, 2004. Oh wait, that's wrong, guys. Sorry about that. That's June 23rd of 04. So, wow, that was about 15 years ago, guys. I don't know what's in here. So, I think they made car parts, guys. Operator checklist and schedule, alerts, PM plan, old Chevy, new Chevy. So I'm starting to think they made car parts here, guys. And a lot of factories, guys, you'll see these machines with Allen Bradley on it. Allen Bradley is a big industrial supplier to all these small Midwest factories, I've been noticing. Looks like to be an old label machine where they print off your labels when you're done with the tote. Holy crap, guys. Old manager's chair. Who's the manager now? Holy crap, guys, check that out. An old respirator. Some more instructions. Holy crap, guys, we got some remnants of the old factory materials. Check this out, guys. We have all the old totes they used to use, guys. Check that out. Wow. This is dope. For some reason, guys, I get the feeling that I'm not alone. I don't want to jump to conclusions, but I don't know if people have died at this factory. I don't know if this factory has energy to it, but I guess I'll find out. I'm here, and I come in peace. I want good energy, good vibes, and I am a friendly person, so I'm willing to communicate with you. Looks like to be an old loading dock, guys, that is currently filled with rusty water. If I were to step in that or drop my phone in there, yeah, I'm not getting it back. This looks to be like old electric units, guys. This is the main power for most of the factory, I'd say. But now these are dead, obviously. We got this giant machine over here. Looks like something out of World War II, doesn't it? Holy crap. Dang, guys. Look at that. I think you'd put parts in there back in the day. You had your control board. This thing is a monster. Literally says check sheet 2012. So I did see a calendar from 2013 earlier, guys, so I'm starting to think this factory closed down around 2013. Yeah, this is definitely the office areas, guys. Definitely the old office areas. Wow. I mean, look at this, guys. All this mold on the walls. All this mold. Back in the day, this used to be a conference room, you know? All the corporate executive people would come through and have chats. Old pictures from back in the day of the machines and whatnot, guys. It's kind of cool, actually. Check that out, guys. The board I showed in the video, the hand tools, this is all the old tools that used to be on that. That's crazy, guys. Let's keep exploring. Frozen in time, guys. At one point, this was a fully functioning office. Now look at it. Looks to be like an old part. Got some old CDs. Not sure what's on those. Don't want to know. Put those to the side for now. Look at this though, guys. Crazy. Got a bunch of old Got a bunch of old AutoCAD DVDs. Wow. And I think that's black mold all over the wall, so I'm not gonna be staying in this room much longer. It's crazy to think, guys, how, you know, one day you'll have all this beautiful industrial, factory production. You'll have managers, office people. You have your workers coming in and out, clocking in and out. Now it's just completely empty. Sit to rot. Just left to rot. All right, guys. It's getting super cold. It's like 18 degrees right now. Been in the factory for almost half hour. It's time for me to get out of here. Until next time, guys, this is UE260. Peace.